Okay, so in this video we are going to use the count and the index function. I have created two lists, list 1 and list 2, and let's say I create a new variable x is equal to, then I want to check inside the list 1 into dot count a particular value like pen. Okay, so this pen function, sorry, this count function will count the number of times a particular value, for example I have passed here the pen is appeared inside this list. Okay, so as I have saved this value inside the x, so let's print the x. Okay, now run this. So pen is appeared only one time inside the list, and let's say I want to change the list to this one, and I want to count the value 4, right? I want to count how many times 4 is appeared into this list. As I have saved the value into the x, so I'm going to print the x. Okay, so 4 is appeared 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so another function is index. So index will check the index number of particular value. For example, pen is at the index number 0, the indexing start from 0, so the value should be 0. Let's run this. Okay, so I have not changed the list number. Okay, so we'll run this again. Okay, so the index number of pen is 0. Let's say if I want to check the index number of scale. Okay, so it's going to check the index number of scale. Scale is starting with the capital letter S. As we know, the Python is case sensitive, so the spelling should be the same. If the capital S, then it should also be the capital S, not the small s. So make sure you have write the exact word. Okay, so run this again. Okay, so scale is having the index number 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay.